Uline stainless steel service carts are compact and move easily through aisles and hallways for transporting medical equipment, corrosive chemicals, and food supplies where cleanliness and sanitary conditions are necessary. With a 500-pound capacity, you can safely move heavier loads in cafes, hospitals, and labs. Uline stainless steel service carts are made of Type 430 stainless steel and resist rust and corrosion. Uline stainless steel service carts have a compact design and all swivel casters with 2 locking casters for easy maneuverability and rubber bumpers to protect walls and furniture from damage for use in tight spaces. The 3 shelves are 12 inches apart. The 2 top shelves have a 1-inch lip on 3 sides to keep items in place and an open front for easy loading and unloading of objects. Whatever your service cart needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.